Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Cricut the Heart, and I'm back to share my oh so inspired September project. So make sure that you follow or visit all of the YouTube channels that are listed in the description box. They all have a wonderful project, and it's all using the inspiration piece, which is a large fringed heart, kind of like a scrapbook page. And so what I decided to do is to make miniature fringed hearts and use them as embellishments. So the first one I want to show you, these ones I packaged up. These are some fall themed hearts. I used the Authentique Bountiful collection, and I went ahead and just, what I did was I just cut a heart out of white cardstock, and then I layered my fringed pieces right on top, and then I just kind of trimmed around it to create the heart shape. Then I used a little butterfly die that I had in my stash and went ahead and did some gold on there. And then for my topper, I went ahead and I used one of the fringe hearts as an embellishment. And so I also wanted to make some Halloween-inspired ones to use on projects, possibly in my October daily. So I made larger ones using some Halloween paper in my stash. And then I used a bat die that I found in my stash as well. So here are the larger hearts. And then I made two of the smaller ones, which I probably will embellish once I pull out my Halloween stuff, which I haven't done yet. I think that might be cute with like a candy corn or something in the corner there. So super, super simple project. It's easier if you have fringed scissors, which I thought I do have, and I just can't find where I put them. But a really simple, easy, and fun project to make. And so this was inspired by that fringed heart inspiration piece. Make sure you check out everybody else who is listed in the description box. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Cricut the Heart.